Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well today. Today I have a fun video for you. I hope it's gonna be fun. I'm not exactly sure yet, but we'll see. Wow, great intro. You're really hooked, aren't you now? But I have been really into the idea of getting a bag scarf for my bag, okay? And I've seen so many pictures, so many like Instagram, Pinterest images throughout the past couple of years, and I would always like put that kind of in the back of my mind and be like, oh, I really would like to do that one day. And it's not like that big of a feat to accomplish. It's not that difficult. Bag scarves are kind of smaller and they tend to be very affordable, but I've never done it until now. But I have gotten a really cute bag, which I've shared with you guys. It's a small crossbody by Madewell, which I love. It's a beautiful bag, great quality, and also is really reasonably priced for the style and the quality, I think. So I love that bag. And I have just received a bag scarf for that bag. Also made by Madewell. It's actually, I believe, made out of organic cotton, so very fancy. But it's not necessarily you don't have to get this specific bag scarf if you don't want to. There's definitely a lot of really pretty bag scarves out there. But I just wanted to show you guys and kind of test an idea of doing a bag scarf and see how much of a difference it makes on my bag, and show you before and after and how I tie it, or how, you know, just kind of like a quick little tie, and just share that with you, because maybe if you're looking for a way to update your bag and just add a little something, a little flair to your bag for summertime or beyond, then this might be a really fun thing to do. It's a really low cost way to kind of update your bag, or just kind of, I don't know, have a little fun accessory. And I also like the idea of having a bag scarf as like a personality thing, because I feel like it's a little fun thing to do. It's a little charming thing that you can add to your bag, and somehow that makes me really excited and happy. But so I spent a little while trying to figure out what kind of color I wanted for my bag scarf, because I wanted something that would go with like everything, with all outfits. So it had to be something sort of neutral, I thought. And then I came out with this little number. This is not very neutral. It's a very beautiful kind of red, it is red and peachy beigey mix of colors. And I chose this because I thought this was a very classic kind of a scarf color, and also I thought that this color would tie really nicely with the bag color, which isn't red, but it's kind of, it's got that rich leather, brown leather color, and I think the two would probably work really well together. And actually I think they do, so it really worked out, but that was my thinking. And I am really surprised at how much I love it. I love having a bag scarf. I think it's so cute. I think it just adds a little something to the bag, and just, I don't know, it makes it like really happy, and it gives it a little bit of color, and it gives it a little bit of like a design element. And it's just a really fun way to kind of spruce up your bag. It's almost like, imagine getting like a very neutral couch, right? So that like it's neutral, like it's gonna go with everything, and then putting bright pillows on there. It's kind of like that, where you can, if you kind of get tired of the pillows, you can just change the pillow covers or change the pillows, and it's not like changing the whole couch. It's sort of like that. You get a neutral bag and then you add like a bag scarf. That's really fun and bright, and just kind of like makes the bag look a little bit different, a little bit more fun, and I love it. So I just wanted to share that with you, because I just think it's such a, I wanted to share, I guess, the idea. I'm gonna link the bag and the bag scarf if you're looking to get either the bag or the bag scarf. So anyway, on that note, I'm gonna end this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed this. I'm curious what you think about bag scarves, and if you have one, and if you're gonna get one. I love them. I think it's such, I don't know, it's just like such a fun way to spruce up your bag and make it a little bit more fun, a little bit more like kind of charming. And that's coming to you from someone who likes things kind of neutral and very, very understated. But here I am being really excited about a very bright, bold bag scarf, which doesn't really seem like something I would be into, but I'm totally into it and I think it's so fun. So anyway, I am gonna end this video here. I hope you guys have enjoyed this. I am really into bag scarves. I hope you are as well. And I guess the summary of this video is it's a fun thing to try. So I would say if you're looking to give your bag a little update, then a bag scarf is such a cute accessory to look into. And I will link the bag and the scarf that I'm using because I think they're great. Both are fantastic. They're by the same company. I think they're kind of meant to work together, but I do think that you can switch things up and you don't have to use things from the same company. Although I like when things kind of match, but that's a personal thing. So anyway, on that note, I'm gonna end this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed this one. Just a quick one today, but it made me happy, so I'm hoping it's gonna make you happy as well. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.